Angle operations on the TI-84. So we've got two angles here given in DMS form, and number one says that we want to find the sum of those two angles. We want to add them up and get an answer in DMS. Well, the great thing is the calculator can do this directly. Let's take a look. One comment here at the beginning. Notice that I'm in radian mode. I can see that there. This is going to be a big deal all semester. If I'm working in degrees, I really should go to the mode area, go down to the angle line using the arrows and switch over to degree mode. Hitting enter will lock that in. Second quit to get myself back to the main screen. Now I'm in degree mode, which is appropriate since I'm doing degree calculations. Well, all I want to do is add those angles together, and I can do it in one step. I just need to type it in. It was 74 degrees. That's in the angle menu, so hit the blue button first. Choice 1, 74 degrees. Then it was 17 minutes. 17, the minutes button is also in that same angle menu. It's choice 2. And then 49 seconds. Seconds is above the plus button in green is how I would choose that. So there's my first angle. Then just say plus because I want to add it to that second angle. 6 degrees and 30 minutes. Choice 2 and 22 seconds. And that's it. Hit enter and there's your answer. Except we wanted the answer in DMS form. Well, the calculator can take care of that for us too. Just immediately go back to that angle menu and choose choice 4, change to DMS. Notice the calculator understands that to mean you want to take your last answer and change it to degrees, minutes, seconds. Hit enter and we've got it. 80 degrees, 48 minutes, 11 seconds. Okay, now, number 2, we want to find the complementary angle to the answer we just got in number 1. Remember, complementary angles are two angles that add up to 90 degrees. So if I have one of the angles, all I would have to do is subtract it from 90 to obtain my answer. Again, the calculator will do this directly. This time we want the answer in DD form. So on the calculator, obviously, I could type 90 and then minus, and I could type in 80 degrees, 48 minutes, 11 seconds. But since that was the last answer showing, if you notice down here in blue, it says ANS above the negative sign. So I hit second and choose that. I'm telling the calculator to subtract my last answer from 90. It'll do it directly, and again, this is exactly what we wanted. We wanted the answer in DD form. Rounding to 4 decimal places will give me 9.1969 degrees. And then finally, number 3 says take that answer, the answer from number 2, and convert it to radians, an approximate answer rounded to 4 places. Well, we know how to do that already. We just take our angle and multiply it by that unit fraction, pi, divided by 180 degrees. The degrees units would then cancel out, and what I have left would be my answer in radians. Again, the calculator can do this for me quite easily. Remember, you don't have to retype in the 9.1969. You can just say times. The calculator understands you want to take your last answer and multiply it by, let's see, pi is in blue above the exponent button, and then divided by 180, and that'll do it. Hit enter, and there is the radian measure of this angle to 4 places. It would be 0.1605 radians. You always want to try in these problems to avoid rounding anything until the end. Notice that using that answer feature allowed me to use the full version of the 9.169 decimal in my calculation for the radian measure. While it is possible to do some of these things by hand, I really encourage you to take advantage of the power of the TI-84. Thanks for watching.